In this tutorial in CyberLink PowerDirector, we're going to look at a neat trick that will enable you to take a vertical segment out of your production and generate an independent clip from that. Sometimes you find yourself in a very complex production and you'd like to see what only part of it looks like in its finished form, but you don't want to render an entire movie. Or you may run into a situation where you have part of your production that you want to generate as an independent film or independent clip that you're going to use in a different context. And yet you don't want to go ahead and make two copies of the same production. Here's a very easy way to go ahead and slice out a vertical segment and then generate a clip from that. What I have on track number 1 are 3 very different clips, and I've strung them together. I've put transitions between them. I have a swimmer in the middle, and then I have this forest on the right side. And I also, on this segment, have forest scene. I have a title. I even have some music that goes with it on the far right. Let's assume that I've been working on a project and I want to see what the end of it looks like only. And I don't want to simply preview it in my preview screen. I want to generate a different clip from this. The way I do that is I take my playhead or my scrubber and I can move it to either end of where I want to go. And then I click on the little gold area beneath it, and my cursor will change to a little goldish yellow arrow with a double-headed blue arrow below that. And I can drag and I can create a segment. Let's make it about this long so we cover a transition and we have some other things. Now this is only available in the more recent versions of PowerDirector, by the way. But when you have one of these segments defined, your buttons up here change. You've defined this. This is called a range. And you can do all kinds of things with it. We're only going to focus on one in this lesson. We'll deal with the other kinds of things you can do in the next lesson. Here we're going to look at producing an independent video clip. So I'm going to click on Produce Range. And when I do that, it takes me to my Produce button. I can go ahead and generate that. Let's create a title. We'll just call it Test. And then I'll click on Start. And what I'm doing right now is I'm rendering only that segment of my entire production. It creates a separate file in whatever file format I wanted, but then it also, when I go back to the edit page, it will also bring a link to that into my media room. And if I want to go ahead and go back to normal, I can move the playhead, I can close the gap here, and now I can use this just like I always did before. Now I happen to have this test area here. Why don't I just go ahead and play that segment? And this is that segment of my entire movie, complete with music and title and everything. I could take this and put it on the web, do anything I wanted to with it, bring it into another project. But it's a really simple, great way to take a vertical slice out of your production and generate a separate clip from it in CyberLink PowerDirector using range.